Just 2 years after the debut of the new generation Renault Espace in Paris, now a fully transformed 7-seater SUV and the larger sibling of the Renault Austral, Renault has once again surprised us. Despite a complete overhaul of its lineup over the past 3 years through the Renault Lution initiative, there's no sign of slowing down in 2025. Unexpectedly, Renault has unveiled a facelift for the current Espace, adopting the brand's latest modern and robust design language spearheaded by Gilles Vidal. This new styling approach has already been seen in models like the Renault Scenic E-Tech, Symbioz, and the refreshed Capture, and most prominently in the Renault Rafale. Built in Spain at Renault's Palencia plant, the Espace remains the brand's most spacious offering, accommodating up to 7 passengers and featuring efficient hybrid technology ideal for long-distance travel. Let's explore what's new. As with other recent redesigns from the brand, this update goes far beyond a simple facelift, particularly when it comes to design. Both the front and rear of the vehicle have undergone a complete transformation. Renault states that over a third of the body components have been reworked, not only to reflect the brand's latest design language but also to improve aerodynamics, enhancing both efficiency and on-road stability. The front end now closely mirrors that of the Renault Rafale, featuring a large, nearly rectangular grille with intricate diamond pattern detailing and sleek main headlights. These are flanked below by the distinctive double diamond-shaped daytime running lights. Sharp, tensioned lines connecting these elements add visual impact, complemented by a more refined lower bumper that seamlessly integrates with the fenders and door contours. The rear has also seen significant changes. The previously elongated taillights have been reshaped, while their outline remains familiar. The horizontal design has been interrupted and their internal structure revised. Additionally, the tailgate has been redesigned with a sharper contour that aligns with the edge of the rear window. Renault also introduces a new Baltic gray exterior color, alongside design details that accentuate the primary body paint. The grille trim varies by version: gray for the Techno trim and black for the Esprit Alpine. Rounding out the updates are new 20-inch altitude wheels, exclusive to the Esprit Alpine, which feature a design inspired by snowflakes. Interior updates are minimal, though understandably so, as the cabin layout didn't require much change. Renault has retained the same driver-oriented setup found in its latest models like the Rafale and key elements from the Renault 5 E-Tech and Renault 4 E-Tech. However, in the Espace, the focus is on maximizing space and comfort, areas where it continues to set the standard within the brand. One of the most appreciated upgrades, also seen in models like the Scenic E-Tech and Rafale, is the innovative Solarbay roof. This smart multi-layer glass panel can shift between transparent and opaque states by individual zones, eliminating the need for a physical sunshade to block heat and sunlight. The driving interface retains the signature dual-screen layout in an inverted L shape. It includes a 12.3-inch horizontal display for the instrument cluster and a 12-inch vertical touchscreen for the infotainment system, powered by the highly regarded OpenR platform. Based on Android, it offers Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and wireless compatibility with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A 9.3-inch head-up display is also available as an option. A major new feature is facial recognition for the driver. This system can automatically adjust seat position, radio settings, and linked Google Apps based on who's behind the wheel. Connectivity is further enhanced with 2 USB-C ports in both the front and rear, a wireless charging pad up front, and 12-volt sockets both in the cabin and the trunk. Renault has equipped the Espace with a comprehensive suite of 32 ADAS, advanced driver assistance systems, features. These include emergency braking with pedestrian and cyclist detection, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality. But what truly sets the Espace apart is its spaciousness and comfort. It offers up to 3 rows of seats, with the second row featuring a sliding bench to flexibly adjust legroom or luggage space. 2 foldable seats in the rear are best suited for children, making it a versatile 7-seater. The front seats have also been upgraded, now offering improved lumbar support and electric adjustments for enhanced comfort. Premium trims include new upholstery with high-quality materials and Alcantara accents. As for cargo space, the 5-seat version offers between 692 and 2,224 liters depending on seat configuration. The 7-seat version ranges from 212 liters with all seats in use to 520 liters with 2 rows, and up to 2,054 liters when the rear seats are folded down. The new Espace retains its existing Powertrain configuration, continuing to be offered exclusively with the 200 horsepower E-Tech full hybrid system. This setup includes a 1.2-liter 3-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine delivering 130 horsepower and 205 Nm of torque, paired with 2 electric motors. one main motor generating 70 horsepower and 205 Nm, powered by a 2 kWh, 400 volts lithium-ion battery, and a secondary HSG motor/starter with 25 horsepower and 50 Nm of torque, responsible for starting the combustion engine and managing gear shifts. The hybrid system is paired with a multi-mode automatic transmission that intelligently switches between several driving modes. 100% electric, only the electric motor propels the vehicle. Hybrid dynamic, the petrol engine and electric motor work together to drive the wheels. E-drive, the electric motor powers the wheels while the combustion engine charges the battery. Thermal mode, the gasoline engine alone powers the vehicle and/or recharges the battery. Energy recovery, the wheels drive the electric motor to regenerate battery power during deceleration or braking. For this updated version, Renault has enhanced the gearbox software, resulting in smoother and more responsive gear changes. The hybrid powertrain, which meets the Euro 6 emissions standard, offers impressive efficiency. Fuel consumption is rated at just 4.8 liters/100 kilometers, with CO2 emissions of 108 grams/km, and an exceptional range of up to 1,100 kilometers on a single tank. To ensure agile handling despite its size, the new Espace continues to feature the 4Control advanced four-wheel steering system. This setup allows the rear wheels to steer in the same direction as the front wheels by up to 1 degree at higher speeds for improved stability, or in the opposite direction by up to 5 degrees at lower speeds to enhance maneuverability. This technology reduces the turning radius to just 10.4 meters, compared to 11.6 meters without the system. As of now, Renault has not announced the official launch date for the updated Renault Espace. However, it is confirmed that production will continue at the Palencia plant in Spain. The model will once again be offered in the familiar Techno, Esprit Alpine, and the high-end iconic trim levels. The current Espace starts at approximately €43,500, and pricing for the refreshed version is expected to see a slight increase.